Remember when you were young? A child dreaming of what your future would be like? Good times. But as a teenager, things were totally different.
I'm ready to go to school!
You're not dressed appropriately.
Huh? I thought I was fine.
There you go. You need to dress warmly so you don't catch a cold.
But I'm not cold.
Now, please.
Guess I better do what she says. Hi! I made it on time to class!
That's good. Please take your seat.
Excuse me. Just gotta squeeze past you.
Wow, that's a lot of layers.
Made it to my desk! Just gotta reach my backpack.
Alright, shopping was great! These new jeans are gonna be amazing! They're just so cute! And they're even cuter because I got them on sale! I can't wait to wear them!
Let's see. I'll just bring Julie's clothes over here. Julie's pants! They're all ripped! Look at these holes! No, that won't do. I'll have to fix them so she won't catch a cold. I don't know how someone her age can tear so many holes in her jeans. Aw, there's my pretty girl.
Hey, are those my jeans?
Yes, dear. I'm just repairing them for you.
Oh my god. Yeah, thanks.
I finished these ones too. Take a look.
Yeah, there's something alright. I see you're still working on another pair?
Don't worry. I'm almost done.
Wow. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, are you ready? Let's do it! Let's try them on!
Whoa, this is amazing! Look what I have! I'm putting them in! Wow, you're so smart! They're great! I'm gonna try with water balloons.
Ooh, smart! That's more realistic.
It's kind of jiggling uncomfortably. Oh, they're so big!
Ah! Look out!
The water balloons popped! Oops, sorry. Didn't mean for them to make you so wet. Maybe we're not ready for these bras yet. I'm ready to tackle the day. Hey! Ooh, hey yourself. Hi, Nick. Oh. Ah! Oh no, she took a header. Now she's bouncing back up? What? Did my boobs just save me? Cool! How is that possible? No way my boobs could do that. Thanks, girls! You saved me! Let's complete this timetable.
Teacher! I have a question!
How can I help you, Julie? Okay, see right here? That's what you'll want to do next.
Oh, okay.
Good. I'm glad you're getting it.
You left so much chalk on me! It's everywhere!
I'm not awake enough to deal with school today. Time to rinse. I wonder what's on my list to do today. Julie, are you still paying attention? Hello? Julie? Is your screen frozen? Oh shoot! Hi! I'm here! My screen just had an issue. Your screen had an issue? Then what's the answer for number 3?
Oh, 8:30! Time to go to bed! Gotta be well rested for school. Good night! I didn't know unicorns like tacos.
It's morning!
Yay! Time to wake up! I'm excited to get the day started. And my bed is made. It's so pretty. I'll pack all my school supplies now. Can't forget any of my books. Also, gotta make sure I have enough notebooks.
Topanga the tiger, you're coming too!
Let's see. I'll take this. And this.
Ooh, and this too! I just love packing for school!
Ugh, I know I can make this fit if I just push. Wow, this is getting kinda heavy.
Come on, get in there! I know you can fit!
Phew. Got it. I knew it would work. I'll just zip this up now.
Oh, look at you. All ready to go to school. Just darling.
My backpack! Ugh, it's too heavy.
Here, I'll help you. Stick out your arm. Yes, just like that.
Mom? Mom! I'm falling! Help!
Oh, my baby! Are you alright? You have to be more careful. I don't want you getting hurt. This is amazing! I love this! Nothing is better than binge-watching a show in bed! 11:40 p.m. Getting kinda tired, but I just want to finish this episode. I can't seem to stop yawning. Wait a second. What's that? Oh no, it's morning! Which means it's time for school! I gotta find something to wear. Yes, okay. These'll work. Okay, I'll wear these sneakers too. Whoa! Whoa! Losing my balance! Phew! I made it to school on time. Wait! My backpack! Oh, I left it at home! This day is already terrible and it just started. And I'm hungry now too. But all I've got is this piece of candy. Pretty good, to be honest.
Ooh, it's time for fun crafts! Let's see, where should I start? There's so many good choices. Like this tape. Making crafts is my favorite thing to do in the whole world. And this can go right here. Perfect! He's going to love this! And then he'll want to be my boyfriend and hold my hand. Oh, it needs one more thing. Some confetti cake perfume. Now it just needs to be delivered. I'll just carefully fold it so it's an envelope. And now to personalize it so it knows it's for him. Gotta add my name so he knows it's from me, of course. All my dreams are gonna come true! Sneak, sneak. Is he around? I don't see him. Here's his locker. And the coast is clear. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Maybe I shouldn't give it to him. I just gotta do it quick and not think about it. I did it! It's inside his locker now! Ninja, vanish! This class is so boring. But man, it's worth it since I get to sit next to Kylie. She's looking so fine today. Ugh, my phone is buzzing. Who's bothering me now? Ooh, it's a text from Joey! I'll just send him a quick one back. She responded. Time to ask her out. He asked me out for ice cream! This is gonna be great! He's so cute! Alright, let's get out of here. Would you rather be a little kid again? Or a high schooler? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.